Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix app not downloading on your app store. If you want to install app then face this type of error, cannot connect, something went wrong, please try again. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. From here tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connects strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle, at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data then turn on airplane mode, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it off, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then tap on screen time, and from here you scroll down then tap on content and privacy restriction. From here you tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. From here you as can see required password. What you need to do it, tap on don't require, then tap on installing apps. From here you make sure that tap on allow, and after that go back, then tap on in-app purchase. From here you make sure that tap on allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then go back, then scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage, wait some second. From here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then go back, scroll down, then tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that go back, then tap on VPN and device management, and from here if you connect any one VPN you make sure that disconnect, and after that go back and scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on journal, then tap on software update, and from here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem share with me in the comments box, I am help you more. Thanks for watching.